Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 5100M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H310 quick attach front loader. The tractor also has the Canopy top. It does have the Deluxe IOOS platform. The tractor has just under 600 hours on it. It's in excellent condition. Loader is nice. It does have an 8-foot front bucket. It's the heavy-duty front bucket with the ears for the grapple here mounted onto the bucket. Somebody also welded a hook and another hook on the inside of the bucket. Has a global style hookup for your bucket connection, front weight carrier and grill guard. It's got the Michelin Radial tires, which are practically new. These tires last for a long time. And again, it does have the Deluxe platform, fender extensions, extra side work lights there in the fenders, 2 rear work lights, has a stackable hydraulic valves, 540 and 540 EPTO, telescopic 3-point arms, as well as the stabilizer bars. Also has the buttons on the fender to raise and lower your 3-point arms. Tractor is in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically. As you can see, the tires are excellent. The platform here, there's hardly any paint scraped off of it. It's got the Deluxe seat with the swivel, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Over here to the right, you've got your main transmission sticks. You've got 4 ranges back here. Your C and D ranges, which are your 2 highest ranges, are both synchronized. Also have the 1, 2, 3, 4 here, which are all synchronized. Gives you a total of 16 speeds. Loader control is right here with an easy reach. On the control console, you've got your 3-point hydraulic, hand throttle, and PTO controls. Also have your 540, 540E PTO selector back behind the seat. On the bottom, you've got your foot throttle, individual brakes, differential lock, and clutch pedal. Tractor must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. We also take trades and offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.